Hello everyone, welcome to Math 7. So in this video we will learn how to locate square root of 2, which we know is an irrational number, and we locate square root of 2 on the number line, right? So first let's draw the number line and then we will see how we can locate the value square root of 2 on the number line. Okay, so this is the number line that we have. Okay, so let's mark 0 right here, and we know that all numbers to the right of 0 are positive numbers. So let's take 1, 2, etc. So this is 1, this is 2, and all numbers towards the left will be negative, right? So let's take this as negative 1, negative 2, etc. Clear? Now we need to locate square root of 2 on the number line. Okay, we all know Pythagoras theorem, right? So Pythagoras theorem states that in a right triangle, if you have a base and if you have the altitude, then the hypotenuse will be equal to the square root of the sum of the squares of the base and the altitude. So if A is the base and B is the altitude, the height, then the hypotenuse will be equal to square root of A square plus B square. We all know that, right? So thanks to Pythagoras, we know that. Now, let's apply the same thing here to find out the value of root 2, right? Then we will locate it on the number line. So how we can find out root 2 from this given data? So we have one unit here, right? Now let's draw a perpendicular which is also 1 unit, which is same as this value. So this base is 1 unit, and we know that this height is also 1 unit, right? Now, when we have the hypotenuse of this right triangle, because this is perpendicular, then we know that this has to be square root of the base square plus the altitude square, which is nothing but square root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but square root of 2. So now we have got square root of 2 here. Now we need to locate that on the number line. Now to locate root 2 on the number line, all we have to do is just complete this circle with O. Let's name this as P, this point as P. Okay, so just complete this circle which touches the number line with OP as the radius. Okay, OP, take OP as the radius. You keep your compass here, the pin of the compass on O. OP is your radius, and then you draw this circle, right? So it will come like this, it will come like this, it will come like this, and then it will touch the number line here. So we know that in a circle, right? If this is a circle, and if this is the center, and we know that this is the radius, which is square root of 2, and then if you rotate that, we know that if this is the number line, the point where it touches, that also will be root 2. Why? Because this is the radius, this also is the radius. So this is OP is the radius, which is root 2, and similarly when we rotate OP using OP as the radius, so that circle touches the number line, and that means if this is the point, say I will name it OA, then OA also has to be square root of 2. Why? Because it is the radius of the same circle, and we know that in a circle the radius you draw anywhere, the radius anywhere is equal, right? So OP is the radius, OA is the radius, they have to be equal. So if OP is square root of 2, OA also has to be square root of 2. So this is the length OA is nothing but root 2 comma 0, or we can say this length OA is square root of 2. So that is how you locate square root of 2, the irrational number, on the number line. Hope that is clear to you.